show you how to do that note. We can use the piece to make the bracelet. Let me get a bead. Okay, I try use this one to test if this bead's hole is big enough to go through 2 times. Let me get a clasp, a cord. I'm here use this. Dear, you want to get this chain, right? Let me show. Wait, I didn't open the machine. Here. Okay, dear 3D prints, you can claim this is silver chain and the gold chain here. Silver chain and the gold chain you can claim. Yeah, here. This is the beads that we used yesterday. Yeah. Here, then let me show you how to do. Test if the hole big enough. Okay, first let's make a bracelet, not make a necklace. Necklace will take too much long time. And we can use a wire 0.4 or 0.3. This is a 0.5 millimeter, the wax cord here. This one. Let's string the beads first. This one, I use a pink color match with this blue. Yeah, let's try a bracelet. String with the beads first. I use is the 6 millimeter beads. Which cord is better to use, the wax cord for silk cord or silk cord? If you are do the fresh water pour, I think you can use the silk cord. That's no problem. Yeah, silk cord, no problem. Here I don't have a silk cord, so I use a wax cord. I don't have a silk cord here. So I use a wax cord just to show you the tutorial. They are the same. This technique is the both work. Okay, I think it's enough the beads. 13. Okay, then we can put this clasp at the beginning. I'm going to use a magnet clasp. We use a magnet clasper, so here. Okay. The beads here. Then we are going to wrap like this. Okay. Wait. Here, let me check the note. I have long time not make it. Okay. No. Not like this. Okay, so a small note we got. Okay, then let me test several pieces and show you. The cord is thin, so it's down. It goes through from here. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's this way. Here there's a note. Then let me show you the slowly. Here, the beads go through first. Here, go first. Okay, like this way. This way. Then let it come from the bottom here. Then here, this way. Okay. Then pull the wire tight. Then a note finish here. One more. This wax cord is too thin, so this way is here. Then this way. Then these beads come from this and go through from the hole. This. Then tight, so a note finish. Then after make the note, come the beads. What cord I use? I see many people they use this kind of the cord. Most people they use this kind of the cord. I show you. This is the colorful, but my clasp cord the hole is small. here, this is the kind of the cord they always use. Many people use this one, and also some people they use the silk cord, but the silk cord, but the thicker sides. Here, this the cord here, you are use 2 finger to pull it open. Then these beads come here and let it go through. Okay, then your thumb here to pull it tight, so the knot finish here. A knot finish like this. I think this 6 mm the beads match with this cord is not bad. You see the silk knot between the beads is small and it's nice here. See, this way. Your finger this way. Then go through the hole. Then your thumb tight. Okay. Count the beads. Tie open. And here. And tight here. This way. So Anya, you got the way that's how to make this knot. Depend on your beads size. This way, then come here and go through from the beads, the hole tight. Yeah, this one you need to often try it. You try it, then you will got the idea. If you are not try it, maybe you it's going to be easy forgot. Here, it's going to be very easy to forget make it here. Trying to do this with the tool. How did you string all the beads on there? We start to string the beads from this side first. Yeah. Cord. You are use a cord and to string the beads by a thinner wire like this. String the beads first. Then start put this side here. After you string the beads, then this side go through the clasp and to tie tight here. Yeah. Okay, the cord that's good here. This way. Here. Tight. We are making a bracelet. This way can make this knot very tight. Here. This way. Here's the way that's how to make the notes. Here. Okay. It's a small size bracelet. Maybe for my daughter. Here. This one. Okay, so here then I'm going to go through it to make the notes. Here. That's often somehow join some guy's life. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so bracelet finish like this. It's a small size. I can't wear it. Yeah. It's a small size, maybe for my daughter's size. So it's a beads and the cord bracelet like this. Yeah, simple and cute like this. Okay. Yeah, she get a surprise. Yeah, it's like this. So many people they use the crystal beads or the freshwater pearl to make in this style. Freshwater pearl normally they use the white color cord. Here I use a pink merged with this blue. So need okay. You type 20